The world of wigs looks to Qingdao. Qingdao produces high-end quality wigs, which accounts for over 70% of the global market. Hi, I'm Sian. Nice to see you again. Today I'm at Fa Company, where they produce 100% human hair wigs. They have numerous clients across over 50 countries. Each wig here is made by skillful craftsmen. When making wigs, craftsmen tidy up these hairs to ensure that each one is flawless. Each strand of hair needs to be tied into a head shape. It's really difficult and delicate. Can you see that? It's so tiny. Just 1 or 2 hairs is enough. And try to pull it back through. I think I took too much here. And then we hook and pull through. The entire hand-tied process requiring craftsmen to have high skills and patience.
Fashion wigs!
Wigs are not only a necessity for many people, but lately they are becoming a huge fashion trend and accessory. Today we have an amazing hairstylist and she's going to help me try on all these wonderful wigs in the factory. I feel like Uma Thurman in Kill Bill or Pulp Fiction. I feel like this style is perfect for if I want to cosplay. It feels really nice to have long princess hair.
Today we have new friends, Sian
Hi.
from England.
Hello.
Welcome. How about this wig?
I love it so much. I feel like a princess. Maybe I feel like Princess Elsa from Frozen. And I've never had long hair in my life, so it feels really special. I'm so happy to be here today, and it's a really special experience to understand and know more about China's wig industry. And I've got to say, I'm super impressed. The quality is superb, it feels so soft, so get your hands on one of these wigs. On average, Chinese wigs are sold globally every 2 seconds. And through e-commerce, the Chinese wigs are influencing and promoting the wig fashion industry of the world. Okay, I'll see you next time.